is kinda cold, but you've got a hand to hold. Come along out and play. What a wonderful day.
Bams, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. Today I am going to be decorating my Christmas tree in my dining room, and I am loving this tree, you guys. It is so versatile. I used it in my fall decorating, and now I'm using it for Christmas. And I gotta say, I love working with King of Christmas because their trees, their products are top notch. The quality to me is unbeatable. I've gotten so many compliments on this tree. Now, this is the 7-foot King Noble Fir artificial Christmas tree, and it looks so real. Oh my goodness. I love the sparseness of it. I love the daintiness of it. It's absolutely beautiful. It's perfect for decking the halls for Christmas. But I mean, I feel like you can leave this tree up with no decorations and it's beautiful on its own. So I am just so grateful to King of Christmas for collaborating with me on this video. And I am just looking forward to just enjoying this tree for the Christmas holiday. It's going to be hard to take it down because I really don't want to take it down. But as you see here in the clip, I'm using all traditional colors. And like I said in my Christmas planning video, I want this tree to be monochromatic. So I'm using lots of reds, some deep burgundies, just different shades of reds, but with a monochromatic look. And I am just loving this, you guys. I feel like this is probably going to be my new thing for Christmas. I have to have at least one tree that is just red because I just love it so much. I love the way that it turned out. I love all the details on there. And this tree, you really don't have to add a lot to it because it's just beautiful on its own, like I said, but I wanted to just add some depth and some color and just a little bit of beauty to it, you know, to just enhance the beauty that it already is. So definitely stay tuned from beginning to end and let me know what you guys think so far of my monochromatic tree for Christmas.
Your white cheeks are so hard to resist. Those red lips are longing for a kiss. Come on.
So as you see here, my son is so intrigued about the Christmas decor. These are the items that I got from my clearance that he's checking out, and he was asking me like, Mom, can you put some in my room? Can you decorate my room this year for Christmas with some of this stuff? So it was so pleasing to my Christmas heart to see my son just really loving it. They came home from school and they were just like, Mommy, I am so happy that you're home because the house smells and looks so amazing, and they're so excited about Christmas and using all the traditional colors. So they were super happy, and it just made my mama bear heart so happy that my kids enjoy Christmas, that they love Christmas. They know what Christmas stands for, but just to see the joy on their faces, I know that it's a memory that will last with them for a very long time.
Out and play, what a wonderful day. Christmas is almost here. Let's toast to a very good year. It's just you and me, chilling right under the tree.
And this is what the tree looks like, you guys. I just love it so much. It is absolutely stunning. The tree by itself is stunning. The adage of the reds and all of the deep burgundies just pops, just gives it a pop against the beautiful green. And it's like the perfect green. It's like that winter green, and I am just loving it. So definitely check out kingofchristmas.com. I will have their link down in the description box where you can go and you can just search all their beautiful products and trees and everything. I do believe they are having a 50% off or 60% off sale now. So it's definitely the best time to go ahead and grab you a tree, you guys. And like I said, this is a 7-foot King Noble Fir artificial Christmas tree. And definitely let me know what you guys think so far of my Christmas decorating for the 2024 Christmas season. Thank you guys so much for watching. Join me next time as we continue to deck the halls for our Christ-centered classic Christmas season. I want you guys to have a wonderful day, and remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you and I love you too, and that He is the reason for the season. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.
Day outdoors, a different kind of date. I'm all yours and I can hardly wait. Come along, start the show, having fun in the snow. Your white smile is brightening up my date. Your blonde hair out of a fairy tale